Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Moni's Mission. So today I'm going to show you a drink that I absolutely love. I know there's many of you out there that like to go and get coffee first thing in the morning. I'm not really a big coffee drinker. What I don't like is the caffeine crash, the sugar rushes, and all the extra additives that are added into coffee. So I'm going to show you a recipe that I love. It's called the Green Tea Latte. It's similar to what you go and buy in the store, but it's really different because of all the ingredients that are added in it, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. So here we have some dates. We're going to add this, and this is going to replace the sugar in our green tea latte. I like to get authentic green tea powder. I got this off Amazon. You want to make sure that you get the most organic possible that you can. I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. You can add any type of milk that you like, or you can add water if you want to make it thinner. You can add almond milk, soy milk, or any type of milk that you like. I'm going to add a dash of cinnamon inside and a little bit of turmeric. And then so the turmeric can get absorbed, we're going to add just a little bit of pepper. Here we have some peanut butter. You can use any type of nut butter that you like, whether it's almond or peanut. I like to use peanut. It's pretty flavorful, and it also makes the latte more thicker. So here we have, I have 3 pitted dates that I've taken out the seeds to. I'm going to go ahead and add this. You can add 2 to 3 dates depending on how sweet that you want your drink to be. Depending on the amount that you're making, I have about a cup and a half of coconut milk that I'm going to be adding because that's about how much I need. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the green tea matcha. You can add as much as you want depending on how much you want your drink to be caffeinated. I don't like to do too much because I don't want to be too energized throughout the day. So I'm going to go ahead and add some turmeric to the green tea latte. I don't really measure it. I kind of just do a few shakes full. I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper. And just a couple dashes of cinnamon. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon and a half of peanut butter. And we're going to go ahead and blend it. Wait. So this is my dog, Willow, and because we pulled out peanut butter, she thinks that it's automatically for her. So she's now patiently waiting to get some. Here we have the finished green tea latte. It's really good. Alright, well, there you have it. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you try it out. Let me know what you think of it. Have a great day.